Well, in the past, I was not able to make initial contact with men. When men looked at me, I looked down on the ground and I looked away. I had fear. I was not good enough. Um, so I seek help with Dr. Ray to see if I can stop this self-sabotage reflex. Working with Dr. Ray, it's really organic. The improvement is inside, from the inside. It's body and soul, mind and spirit. It all comes together. It's miraculous. And the outside behavior is a result of it. It's a product of it. It's not so much I have to act or behave certain ways. It comes from the inside. So I really feel my new attitude, new outlook will stick because it's in my spirit, in my soul. It was a great feeling. I gained new insight, new confidence, and new self love. I was able to open up and actually see all the different souls, men around me, a new awareness. And I was able to make eye contact with men. I realized I get to choose rather than going out with men by default from their choosing. So it's a big turnaround for me. Well, now when I go out, I feel like I'm walking on a new pavement. My feet are light, my heart is light, and I feel carefree. And when I look at guy, I emit self-confidence. I'm able to fend off low-quality men. I don't feel their aggression, and I feel open up to receive high-quality men. It's a new game plan. This has been amazing, fast transformation for me. I never expected that, but it's short of a miracle.